Good evening, everyone. I am top astrology astrologer M. Rajasekaran. In this prediction video, I would like to tell you about the Indian stock market behavior during 11/6/2021 to 15/6/2021. Disclaimer: the views expressed in this channel are made to prove my invention, top astrological system, and the equation past is equal to future. I am doing this paper trade to prove my concepts. The views expressed in this channel should not be taken as share trading advice. Previous prediction check. I expected a significant rise in Indian stock market in 2 to 3 days during this time zone 3 to 3/6/2021 to 11/6/2021. This was my previous prediction. Now, and also I have predicted that the probable rising days are 4/6/2021 and 10 and 11/6/2021. As predicted, Indian stock market saw a significant rise during 3/6/2021 to 10/6/2021. Actual rising days are 7/6/2021, 8/6/2021 and 10/6/2021. So in this aspect, my prediction became true. But I also gave a buying point and a selling point. I had fixed a buying point on 3/6/2021 and I fixed the selling point during 10/6/2021 to 11/6/2021. So in the stipulated buy time, I bought Bank Nifty, and today 10/6/21 I have sold Bank Nifty. In this trade, I had suffered a loss of 1.25%. In my first two paper trades, I got profit. Third one resulted in loss. Clarification. Remember that in 10 trade attempts to earn profit, I can earn profit in 7 to 8 attempts, and 2 to 3 attempts will fail and I will lose money. You don't have to expect all my predictions to come true. Also, the buy and sell is not actually occurring. I am doing paper trade only. Bank Nifty trade. I have earlier itself told that my failed predictions are also predictions. So 3 to 10/6/2021, as I predicted, Bank Nifty did not rise. This only indicates that there are few times where Bank Nifty will not be profitable and banking stocks will not do well. Taking the past 15 days performance of Bank Nifty, I will devise a new strategy to make trade in Bank Nifty that will be uploaded as a separate video. Now let us come to the prediction part. Prediction for 11/6/2021 to 15/6/2021. These are the last few days where you can get stocks and indices at this level. Frequent ups and downs will be there. In general, particularly on 14/6/2021, you can expect a good rise. On 15/6/2021, you can expect the market to come down a bit. But there are no major changes in the present trend. Maybe within a day, there will be more ups and more downs. Occurred prediction. Now, stock market experts like Mr. P.R. Sundar says that when VIX index point reaches 15 points, then it is a start of a bull run. Now, VIX index point started to settle or fall below this 15 points mark. Today is 10/6/2021. I had predicted 16/6/2021 as starting date of the bull run. I made this prediction in March 2021 itself. Regular viewers know this. New viewers can watch my prediction videos during March 2021. So once again, I proved that using my top astrological concepts, future can be seen much in advance. Also, now experts are predicting Nifty to reach 20,000 to 21,000 level. I had given these numbers also in March 2021 itself. I had predicted that from 44,000 mark of BSE Sensex, it is going to rise 50%. So I had given a prediction of BSE Sensex reaching 66,000 points in December 2021. If we calculate the same ratio rise in Nifty, then Nifty shows 21,000 level 21,000 level in December 2021. So again I proved using top astrological concepts future can be seen in advance. Moreover, after the indices reaching a new high point on 1/6/2021, experts predicted a correction or sideways movement in the market. It is quite common because after reaching a high, the market is supposed to fall or make the sideways movement. But I gave three new high points on the prediction video which I uploaded on 2/6/2021. They are given in the next picture. See, you can see here from 1/6/2021, 1/6/2021, the next high point 21/6/2021, the next high point 17/9/2021, the next high point 26/12/2021. These points were obtained using the formula past is equal to future. So you can see that all three high points in all three high points, the indices Nifty, BSE, Sensex, Bank Nifty will form new highs. See, every time you reach that time, it doesn't mean that it has to be exactly on the date. You can take as around that date, maybe a few days plus or minus. You can see all the three indices going towards their respective highs. Bank Nifty is falling behind, but I don't think it can be like this forever. Somehow it will catch up. Earlier in February 2021, Indian stock market reached a new high, but after that, indices had fallen from that high. It did not hold that level and also it did not rise. Now, such a thing is not going to happen. Also, on 18/5/2021, I have uploaded a prediction video that we have signs of bull run and the market will not fall further down from 18/5/2021 level. Now you saw that prediction. Now you see that prediction came true. From 18/5/2021, the market was constantly rising and never fall below the 18/5/2021 level. Thank you.